What's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. See what's missing? There's no van here. Let me switch this around. So I had to take the van in to get a little work done. Being that it's winter and it is friggin' frosty out, and now it's snowing today, of course. I've been without the van, so I've been crashing out in the sea can. I was gonna go into the back shed, but it's too open. I have to do some work at the sills to seal it up, and I got some plywood for it, and coyote tracks. Anyway, I got some plywood for it and that, so I'm going to work on that and get it kind of buttoned up so I can use it. But as far as things go, I've been staying in the blue sea can. And I should have my van back hopefully tomorrow, doing a little bit extra on it. Last year I had a power steering noise, and it started to come back again, and there was a loss of fluid, like a severe loss of fluid. So what it ended up being is the rack, and I'll go into that in another video. But as for today, it is snowing like none other, and I'm actually kind of enjoying it. It's kind of peaceful. You know, it kind of quiets things down. Last couple nights I've just used my propane heater, and I put a blanket up, like a sheet up on the one side of me, and I had my little mattress thing I put down, and I put a blanket up on the other side, and I put my heater in there. Now, it wasn't hot, but it was warm, and that's all I needed. I don't need much else than that. The only problem is, while I'm in there at night, what is it, a Faraday box? I don't get any reception. So that kind of sucks. I couldn't do any YouTube or anything like that, like keep up with stuff. So now if I open the door, I could. So I've been opening the door for a little bit and sitting on the edge of it. And last night I sat out for a while in the cold so I could catch up my videos and that. Kind of a pain, but other than that, it's just snowing. I think I'm going to enjoy the day. And since I got the propane heater going, it's not really like a heater, it's more like a cooking element. You know what, I'm a dum-dum. I'm an absolute dum-dum. You know what? I could have crashed out the truck. Oh. Oh, I never even thought of it. Oh. Oh, that's awesome. I could have crashed out in the truck, right in the back, and I didn't. I'm a dummy. Oh my goodness. Look at it, even has sliding windows. Oh well. It's only another night or two. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, idiot. Oh well. I won't make that mistake again. I don't even know why I didn't think of it. I don't. It would have been perfect too. Son of a gun. Oh well. But I thought I'd just give you a little update what's going on. When I pick up my van, I'll shoot another video talking about it and what happened. But other than that, I think I am going to take a big, long hike. I'm just kind of feeling it. It's so, I like when it snows, it feels nice and fresh and everything else. And it's cold. It's I think it was minus 13, minus 14. So makes it nice for hiking. You don't really get a sweat going, and I can enjoy myself. Then come back, cook something up, and call it a night. Anyway, guys, thought I'd just give you an update. I hope you're staying safe, keeping out of trouble. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.